So today we will be trying to prove that translations are isometries. So the definition of a translation is when a fixed point is moved in a fixed amount right and up. And the definition of an isometry is a transformation that preserves distance. Okay, so we're going to pick 2 points. We'll call this point X, Y, and we'll call this point A, B. So the X and the A represent how far right the point is, and the Y and the B represent how far up the point. So our goal is to find out the distance between X, Y, and AB and show that the distance is preserved between the 2 points by finding the distance between point XY and point AB. So we first need to subtract X from A and find the absolute value of that. We find the absolute value because no distance can be a negative amount. Then we subtract Y from B and find the absolute value of that. We're now going to add these two together to find the total distance between XY and point AB. So now that we know the total distance between XY and point AB, which equals the absolute value of X minus A plus the absolute value of Y minus B, we can translate our points, which means moving our points a fixed amount right and up. We will see if the new points are if the same distance is preserved. In order to translate our points, we have to move them right and up. So we'll move them right C amount and up D amount. So the first thing that we need to do is move our points right. To do this, we add X plus C and A plus C. If the sum of X and C is positive, we move it right. And if the sum of X and C is negative, we move it left. The same is for the same of A and C. The next thing we have to do to translate our points is to move them up D. We do this by adding Y plus D and B plus D. If the sum of Y and D is positive, then we move it up. If the sum of Y and D is negative, then we move the point down. We do this for the sum of B and D. After adding our fixed amounts right and up, we are left with a point that is X plus C and Y plus D, which we'll call X1, Y1. And we're left with the point A plus C plus B plus D, which we will call A1, B1. To find the distance between our new points, we put these. So we plug in X plus C because it's our new X. And we subtract that from A plus C, because that is our new A. Then we add this to Y plus D, because that's our new Y, minus B plus D, the absolute value of that. We can now simplify our equation because we have C minus C, which leaves us with the absolute value of X minus A plus, the D's can cancel over here, so then we have the absolute value of y plus minus b. As you can see, the distance of our new points, x1, y1, and a1, b1, is the same as the distance between xy and ab. This is because to find the distance between both, we use the absolute value of x minus a plus the absolute value of y minus b. Using all these variables shows us that every sketch translation is an isometry in translation.